সকলোকে নমস্কাৰ জনাইছো গজন ফুংবিলি ৰাইজা ৰাজা নংথাংমন গিবি গিবিয়াউনো ফিন খেপसेबाव बयखौबो दिनैनि बे 133rd एडिशन of Indian Oil Durand Cup 2024 ट्रफी दिन्थिफुंनायनि हाबाफारियाव बरायगोरनानै लानाय जाबाय ट्रफी दिन्थिफुंनायनि हाबाफारिया जोबनाय लोगो लोगो आलासि बिथांमोनजों मीडियानिफ्राय नुजाफैनो हानाय बिथांमोन प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस खालामनाय जागोन गोजोन्थों
और उसी परंपरा को आगे निभाते हुए I would request Lieutenant General R.C. Srikanth, Vishisht Seva Medal, Chief of Staff, Headquarters Eastern Command, to kindly felicitate and honor Honorable Minister Srimati Nandita Garlosa, our chief guest for the day.
I would also request our chief guest, Srimati Nandita Garlosa, to please felicitate Lieutenant General R.C. Srikanth.
May I now request Major General Vishal Singh, Sena Medal, Vishisht Seva Medal, General Officer Commanding, Red Horns Division, to felicitate Shri Pramod Boro, Executive Member, Bodoland Territorial Council.
I would also request the General Officer to kindly felicitate Jayanta Basumatari, Honorable MP Lok Sabha. Once again, I would request General Officer to kindly felicitate Shri Katiram Boro, Speaker, Bodoland Territorial Council, Legislative Assembly. I would now request Shri Pramod Boro to kindly felicitate Major General Vishal Singh.
I now request Brigadier Akshay Chandran, Vishisht Seva Medal, Commander 11 Mountain Brigade, to felicitate Shri U.G. Brahma, Minister of Handloom, Textile and Sericulture, Soil Conservation and Welfare of Bodoland, Government of Assam.
I would also request Brigadier Akshay Chandran to kindly felicitate Rangara Narzari, Honorable MP, Rajya Sabha. Thank you. Now, I would request Sri Urkhaugara Brahmo to kindly felicitate Brigadier Akshay Chandran.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for the introductory address. I would now request Lieutenant General R.C. Srikanth to kindly deliver the introductory address on this momentous occasion of 133rd edition of the Indian Oil Durand Cup 2024.
Jai Hind and good morning everyone. Srimati Nandini Garlosa, Honorable Minister, Shri Brahma, Honorable Minister, Shri Pramod Boro, Chairman, Borderland Territorial Council, Shri Kairam Boro, Honorable Minister of the Borderland Territorial Council, Shri Daubaisa Boro, Executive Member, Sports and Youth Welfare, Borderland Territorial Council, Shri Halicharan Nardari, eminent sports personality, other dignitaries on stage, members from the media, students, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Lieutenant General Ramchandra Tiwari, General Officer Commanding in Chief, Eastern Command, and the patron of the Durand Cup Organizing Committee, we as the committee have great privilege and honor to participate in the second consecutive year of Durand Cup in Kokrajhar. We feel really honored that the BTR, led by Shri Boro, and the government of Assam, led by Honorable Chief Minister Shri Himanta Biswa Sarma, and the entire BTR and the government have come forward to support us in this great venture. As you are already aware, that Durand Cup is in its 133rd edition and has been a continuous tournament throughout its history for almost 136 years. And this year, the tournament has expanded its footprint to multiple cities, and Kokrajhar has, by its hard work in enhancing the sporting facilities, has brought the tournament back to Kokrajhar, not what it was last year, but it has added to the glory by adding a knockout game at the quarterfinal stage, where we'll see the best of the teams vying to go to semi-finals. Durand Cup has a rich history and has been made richer by its continuous exposure to different places and locations and the experiences that it gives to people. And it's very heartening for all of us to see so many young students who are sitting in this auditorium being witness to history being made today, where we will be taking the trophy further around Kokrajhar. This year has been special to us as the Honorable President, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, has taken the privilege of unveiling the trophy at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi and has flagged up the tour. And Kokrajhar is the first destination where the tour will now go into various parts of this beautiful land. The city of peace lives true to its character, and we are overwhelmed by the honor and respect that the tournament has got in this beautiful land. Also, it is an opportunity for me to thank the formation led by General Vishal and his team from Red Horse Division and the GOC of the Gajraj Corps for putting in so much of effort along with the efficient administration of the BTR to make this tournament what it is. Additionally, the tournament wouldn't have been possible but for the wholehearted support from our sponsors, the Indian Oil Corporation, the Coal India, the SBI, and so many others have contributed to ensure that the Durand Cup gives a platform to young and youth of this region to showcase their talent and come and break through on the national stage. Also, this event wouldn't have been possible had the Sony not come on board to take the talent of this beautiful place far and wide through its live telecast. I think we thank them all, and also it's an occasion for me to thank our media partners and our event partners, Cherry Tree, who have worked hugely to make sure that the voice of Durand reaches far and wide. Once again, I thank the government of Assam, the BTR led by Shri Boro, and all the population which resides in this beautiful land of Kokrajhar for the enthusiastic welcome to Durand Cup. We are willing and wishing that you find time to watch and encourage the players on field as they hit the ground running on 30th July and see the best team win the tournament. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for such an eloquent speech.
I would now request Shri Pramod Boro, Chief Executive Member, PTC, to kindly give the inaugural speech. Thank you.
First of all, I welcome all dignitaries and participants and invited guests in our second trophy tour program of Durand Cup in Bodoland. Today we have our chief guest, Srimati Nandita Garlosa, Cabinet Minister of Assam, Sports, Youth Affairs, Power Corporation and Indigenous and Tribal Faith. We have UG Brahma, Cabinet Minister of Assam. We have Jayanta Basumatari, Member of Parliament, Lok Sabha from Kokrajhar. We have Rangara Narjari, Member of Rajya Sabha from Assam. We have General Srikanji, Chief of Eastern Command. We have Major General Bishal Singhji. We have Brigadier Aksayji, and also our Speaker of Bodoland Territorial Council, my colleague EMs, MLS, MCLS, our Vice Chancellor of Bodoland University, Registered of Bodoland University, and officers of Sports Department, and our youths coming from different youth clubs, NCC, and media friends also. I welcome all of you once again, and today it is once again very happy moment for people of Bodoland for having this opportunity to host 133rd Durand Cup, which is second for us, but 133rd Durand Cup in India. And Kokrajhar, I don't know how it happened in last year, but since it started last year, we are having this opportunity once again, and I hope for future also. Durand Cup giving us another opportunity to build an peaceful atmosphere and brotherhood feelings among the people. As we know that it is one of the oldest football tournament in the country, which started in 1888. Now it is most popular not in our country only, it is entire world. The Durand Cup is known to everybody. So.